Hey guys, it's Tony. Some of you guys did request a quick TA, that I should be doing a quick TA on DogeCoin, and I'll start right now, right? I mean, I kind of already set all the presets for what I think is really going to happen and where the movement's going to be headed. So, in order for us to kind of predict where we're actually going to be going, I'm still bullish. Doggy looks completely bullish. These huge green. Oh yeah, I'm in the bathroom in case anyone's wondering. You guys know I do my best TA when I'm taking a crap and stuff. But as of right now, I'm still pretty bullish on doggy. There's no reason for me to not be, right. But the thing is, we need to look at the probabilities of where doggy coin can go at the at the least and then at the most right now, right? So we have to dig deep a little bit on the chart. So going down into the hour, it does look like we are maybe looking at creating a bottom right now. We haven't hit this bottom. We haven't hit a bottom on the stochastic for a while. Not till we were back in the 31st of December, between 31st and the 1st of January. So the last time we actually hit a bottom on the stochastic was a while back. As of right now, we are looking bearish on the hour chart. It does look like we probably will be going back and retesting the 00937 level. That's just what the TA is showing me. We can definitely shoot up. On the chart or go back down. But as of right now, I do think we're going to go back, retest that 937 level and then probably shoot back up. But it definitely looks like we're creating a bottom on the stochastic, which is pretty good because doggy tends to reflect pretty well on the stochastic where the bottoms and tops are, which I think is a pretty good indication of doggy basically trading on the 009 and the 1 cent level relatively well, right? On the 4 hour chart, you guys can see this huge bear candle that just got created. We're still completely bearish. We need to see exactly what's going on in the next hour or so, right? So the big indication of where we're actually headed is on the hour MACD. How much doggy actually drops on this hour MACD, and if you guys can see this trend line, the trend line on the top chart. Ah, crap! I just fucked it up. I hate when that happens. I hate when I like fucking click something. Whoops. Let me go back. Do this. It's perfect. Do that. Let me go back to the day chart to show you guys what I think is going to happen. So as of right now, if we zoom in, we can see on the hour chart that doggy is holding relatively well to this trend line downwards. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but I'll show you guys this trend line right here. So you guys see this little dot that I'm using. So this trend line, currently right now, doggy is on the bottom of this, so it is trending on the downward side. I do think there is a chance, depending on the hour MACD, that we will go down and retest that 0093 level. That's just what TA is showing me, right? Overall, I'm still bullish, but as of right now, it does look like we'll go down. We need to see how big the momentum is on the downward side for this hour MACD, how it retests and reacts to this support line right here, right, for the 93009. What did I say? 00937 level. So we need to gauge momentum, right? As of right now, it did cross on the bottom trend line, but everything else looks pretty bullish. The day chart still looks really bullish. Like even looking back at average day mini bull runs, doggy tends to have a 4 to 5 day bull run, and we're barely on. Today is day 3, so I wouldn't be surprised if we actually retest down or this actually gets created into a new bullish candle and we kind of go up from there. On the week chart, we're still pretty strong on the bullish side. Like there's no indications there's no indicators on what's going on, but as of right now, like we're still pretty bullish. On the week chart, we haven't even created, according to the week stochastic, we haven't even created a top yet. And to be completely honest, I think we are going to be going up to that 75 plus level. And even on the month chart, like it just looks like there's no indication for what's going on. Let me see if I can find another better representation. What about doggy BTC? Does that show? Yeah, even on the month chart, like we literally just it shows that on the month chart we just created a bottom and we crossed over on the month chart. So man, it looks extremely bullish. You guys can see here we just crossed on the week MACD. Like the week MACD, according to doggy versus Bitcoin, like there's no reason for us to even like think about stopping right now. Like the bull run, this is the first week of the bull run. Like this is what it's showing. And the last time they had a bull run like this, on average, you guys can see that on average, the bull runs for DogeCoin last on average between 2 to 3 weeks. this isn't even the first, like, this isn't even the first week. We're on the first like 2 days of the bull run for Doggy. So just compare it to what BTC is doing. So even right now on the stochastic, you guys can see that it created a top up here. And right now it is looking like it created that bottom on that, you know, on this level. Let me see if I can show you guys on this level right here. So it created a bottom here, as you can see on stochastic, and it's still going up. Like even the candle right now is well, it just turned bearish, but it's consolidating between bearish and bullish right now. But as of right now, I am 100% bullish on Doggy. It might, like I said, it might go down and retest that level that I showed you guys. Let me see, not BTC. Let's go back to Doggy, bro. Doggy, which is what we're super interested in here. So as of right now, there is a strong chance that we might go down and retest that 0093 level. But according to the other chart for Doggy versus BTC, like it looks like we just started. Like we have another 2-3 weeks, you know, like to rally on this. And I think Doggy is gonna absolutely blow up. Like we just crossed that month MACD and we just crossed the month stochastic. Like it showed us, okay, you guys created a bottom. This is the bottom. And if 1 cent is the bottom, I can't even imagine what the top is. Like, and that's for the month. That's for the month chart, right? Which is absolutely insane. So as of right now, I am 100% bullish on Doggy. There's no way I'm gonna sell anything. I do think that there's a chance that we might go down to that 0093 level and retest and then shoot right back up, because I don't think we're gonna go any lower than that. We need to check the momentum on the hour chart, and even right now, I mean, I'll probably make another update on Doggy TA maybe like in the next 2 to 3 hours, just to update you guys on what the momentum is kind of looking like and stuff, you know. But as of right now, it does look like we will probably retest that 0093 level. Probability is pretty high, but there's also a big chance that we're going to stay in this price range of, you know, like 1 cent, give or take, you know, a couple, like, you know, like couple digits afterwards, right? But we either, you know, stay in this range. I'll show you guys, right? Let me create the arrows to kind of give you guys a better gauge of what exactly is going on. So we either stay in this level, you know, and we trade like this for a little bit, maybe. And then what's possibly going to happen is we can trade sideways with our MACD, depending on momentum. And then we can also, but then it's probably going to do this, right? Or what the other thing that can happen, which is I'm talking about right now for the momentum, is we can either do this, we can either test back down here, retest this section, and then from here, we just kind of like shoot up again, right? So we do the same thing. Basically, that's what I think is the most probable thing is going to happen. Depending on this hour MACD and the momentum and the strength, we either trade sideways on this price range and then pop up again, or we trade down to the 0093 level and then pop up. I really don't think we're going to go lower than this level. Like it's the probability of doing something like this is completely like, it doesn't. There's a bigger chance statistically that we're going to shoot up than go back down. So I do think that there's a big chance that we'll test that 0093 level, as you guys can see on the chart. But ultimately, we either test on this price range and shoot up, we go down to this section, and then we shoot up again. I don't know. I don't see it really going any other way. Worst case scenario, we go back down and we more than likely possibly trade back at like the 0048 level. I think that will probably be a new bottom if we do cross that 0093 level. But as of right now, this is my indication. This is what I think is going to happen. We either trade sideways here on the hour MACD momentum because it's bearish, or we go down, retest that 0093 level, and then shoot up. But this is what I think is going to happen. I'm like, you know, 80-90% sure this is going to happen. But, you know, you never know, right? This can completely go down to zero today or tomorrow. Or it can go to $100 tomorrow. Nobody knows, right? Nobody knows what's going to happen. This is just kind of like an estimation, right? But yeah, as of right now, I'm 100% bullish on Doggy. There's no way I'm selling it. And, you know, I'll see you guys later.